So great work last week, everybody. I think it was really successful, but we do have quite a bit of notes to work through. So let's start out with the big boys. I think Eli, you take Everest.
We tested 3 different things, and what we're going for is 2 versions of the convex shape. I think that about sums up that.
Awesome, so those 2 swingers. I think the motion was awesome, but we still need to get this right. Test a few different versions, one where one is actually a little further out and a little lower so that you get 2 types of reach.
We'll cover Crybaby now. So this was one that we tested with mixed results at alpha testing, and we tested a few different things. We know we need some better tests between now and beta. So we have some promising leads, but we definitely have a ways to go.
So we're out here in Temecula. We're getting ready for our beta test event, which is where we test with actual participants.
We have about 4 days left. Our CEO is coming out on site, and we have to have everything fully pieced together.
Morning. Can you load up your stuff and meet us over at Swingers? We should have more help showing up soon.
Fiasco to start the morning?
Just a little one or two.
So basically there's a delay with our trucking today. It's throwing our schedule off. Crybaby's been a real challenge to chemically get right, to get the right effect consistently, but also safely. Actually, in alpha testing, we never did come up with something. We did some additional testing between alpha and beta.
Oh shit, I found that.
So the Crybaby obstacle is supposed to simulate getting tear gassed. Most people don't really know what this actually feels like. We're trying to create that in a relatively controlled, relatively safe environment. We had a lot of challenges coming up with this because everybody's senses are different.
No one's got some tears.
We've got a couple ideas. Basically, you're gonna go into this obstacle, there's gonna be a lot of smoke. You're not gonna know what's going on.
Refreshing, I guess.
I'd like to tell you what's going on in there, but maybe I shouldn't.
Is this tear gas stuff? It's
a
one.
test.
I'm sure it's great. Well, you can get it straight away, don't you?
The guys got this structure partially built yesterday. Our first point's going to be doing our layout.
We want to put the bridge here first before we start putting the scaffold up, or do you want to lift over it?
I think we should put it here first.
Yeah.
All right, we're just about to the point where we can start doing the layout.
Yeah.
Every decision we make isn't going to be a hit, but in order for us to make a decision that's a hit, we have to make some failures. I'm not going to say everything's going wrong, but we've definitely had a slew of delays. I felt really comfortable yesterday afternoon when I showed up on site. I'm still confident that we'll meet our objectives, but I'm not as comfortable in where we're at right now.
So we're a little bit under the gun. We're working with sort of a skeleton crew right now of our innovation team and a couple of construction contractors. We really need to nail all the marks and hit our schedule, or else we'll be in rough shape at the end of the week.